What are we going to do now?
Hold turtles.
We're going to hold some turtles. Can't you?
Turtles.
Let's go and get some turtles. We are walking to get to liberate turtles.
Turtles? No, the baby turtles.
Baby turtle. We are now entering the main part to release the turtles.
I'm up here already.
Let's go. This is the actual hatchery. Eating turtle eggs is a real problem here. This place really enforces not eating turtle eggs to help save the turtles. This is where the turtles are held before we get to release them. And look how absolutely adorable they are. Oh. Look at this. Cute.
Brandon,
Why is Brandon's not moving, Rico?
tell him.
No, escupe. Escupe. No está moviendo.
That happens.
They died? No. Alright. Кену, держи вот так, солнышко, ты ему больно делаешь. Он еще бейбичка, должен его так держать. And here the turtles go, very slowly. Yay!
Look, that one's gonna make it. One is still there. Look, one is in the water. Look, they're gonna. Look, that thing's gonna get here. Look. Look, that one.
Whoa, there we go. Bye, turtles. Bye, turtles.
Cute. Oh, cute.
Keanu, Kenishka. Bye, turtles.